Okay, so since everybody is doing home workouts, right? So I'm gonna do one too, but I'm gonna do HIT cardio workouts because I feel like they're the most beneficial workouts that you can do. They don't take that much time. You get in, you get out, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever, instead of doing like an hour-long workout or 2-hour-long workouts, right? A lot of the workouts that I see on YouTubers and Instagram are doing, they're pretty like low intensity. That's good for you if you guys want to keep moving and doing something while we're quarantined and stuck at home. But if you really want to see a change, if you really want to make use of these 2 weeks that you got at your house, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, however long this thing lasts on lockdown, then do some HIT cardio workouts. So I got one for you. This one's gonna be intense, and since everybody wants to use some crazy stuff that they got lying around the house, I got something too. I got this Royal Basmati bag of rice, right? This thing, I can't do anything without this, right? This is the most important thing for any brown household. You need that Basmati rice on deck. So this is 20 pounds right here. So you can do pretty much all these workouts with this. And something that almost everybody has at home is a backpack. And even if you don't have a backpack, you don't need it. I'm gonna add it to all my workouts to add a little bit more resistance. It's like a weighted vest, pretty much. See, this is how you know I'm brown. Weighted vest, right? So it's gotta take me a second to say that shit because I still pronounce my V's and W's. Let's get in this work, guys. Start the HIT cardio timer. Don't stop until you're done with all 15 sets, and let's go. First exercise, bag of rice squats, 30 seconds. All right, next exercise is shoulder presses. So I fit in the frame, I'm gonna go on my knees. Keep that core tight. All right, next exercise we're gonna do is bag of rice curls, 15 seconds, one arm. All right, farmer walks, one hand, 15 seconds. Keep that core tight. Okay, next we're gonna do the rolls. Next exercise, we're gonna do tricep dips. Find an elevated surface, anything, your couch, countertop. All right, next exercise we're gonna do backpack push-ups. If you don't have a backpack, just put the rice over your back and you're set. All right, next exercise we got jump squats. My ceiling's kind of low. Can't jump that high. Next exercise we got alternating lunges. If you want to add a weight, carry the bag of rice. If not, next exercise we got abs. We got side to side toe touches. Let me put this down for this. We got side planks. So push up, over, we got iron butterflies. So pretty much like this, and then bringing it next exercise we got the Deadbug. So pretty much this one's gonna kick your butt. So move. You should feel this really intense. All right, next exercise we got the Superman. Pretty much lay down and go like this. All right, and that is the HITT cardio circuit. So we're gonna take a minute break. If you guys want, just walk around, do wall sits. Take a 2-minute break if you need, and then we back to the next round after that. Do 3 sets. If you guys want to make it harder, 4 sets. And if you want to add more resistance, get a backpack, fill it up with weight, use that. That's probably what I'm going to do right now. And same thing, guys. You only got to do this for 20-30 minutes, but I guarantee you it's better of a workout than keeping it really low, keeping that low intense workouts where you're just like I mean, that might help you, but it's better than doing nothing. But you gotta, if you want to see real change, if you want to really lose that weight, you gotta keep that intensity really high. Do HITT cardio workouts. All right, let's get back to the workout now. Back to the bag of rice squats. Put my backpack on. Put my backpack on, and we're gonna do the squats again. Let's get this. We got shoulder presses. We got curls now. 15 seconds, one arm. "15 seconds, other arm. All right. We got farmer walks. Remember, keep the right hand 15 seconds and then left hand. All right, now we got backpack pull-ups. Now you got rows. All right, next exercise we got tricep dips. Can't do this with my bag on. There goes 30 seconds. All right, next exercise we got backpack push-ups. Next exercise we got jump squats. We got side to side lunges, alternating lunges. Now we got abs. We got side to side touches now. think the next exercise is planks, side planks. If you want to make it harder, do a push-up in between. If not, you can alternate like this. Alright, next exercise. We got iron butterfly. Remember, like this. You guys can hold this too for a static hold. I got lower back issues, so I don't want to go super intense with the iron butterfly. I'm gonna just hold this. This just as hard. Alright. Next exercise, we got Deadbug. So, fold your leg. Next exercise we got, I don't know why I keep forgetting, we got Superman. All right. And that's it. That's 2 rounds of it. You guys can do 3 rounds, 4 rounds, whatever you find challenging. It's a great workout. It's really gonna kick your butt, and make sure you guys follow along. And that's it, man. You guys should be breathing super hard, not being able to have a conversation like this.